Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WI-C400 earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with your devices, and you've already tried a soft reset, or a reboot on it, and it didn't fix it, you might need to move on to this hard reset. Now, you're going to need to set it up again, but that's really the second reason you might want to, is if you're setting these earphones up on a new device and you just want to clear and initialize it so there's nothing on it and it's like it's coming out of the box new, we can do that really easily. The first thing we need to do is just make sure that they are not hooked up to power. This will not work if they're plugged in. So they need to be not plugged in, but you need to have enough battery for it to be able to work. And so all we're going to do is come and press and hold the power and the playback button simultaneously for 7 seconds or more. And if you hold it after about 7 seconds, then the indicator light on it will blink blue 4 times. And that's indicating that the headset is resetting. Just allow it to do its thing. Once you see those 4 blinks, then you can go ahead on your device and delete this pair of headphones off your device, and then turn this back on and set it up like it's a new set of earphones.